Hello, in this video, I'm going to go in depth in step 6 of the onboarding process, which is adding categories. Now, categories are going to be what kind of work that your company provides. So, if we go to settings, categories, we can come here and add categories. Some of these will be default in there already. If we don't like the category or if we don't do it, so say we don't do topsoil, we can come in, we can make inactive and click save, and we can close that window out. Now if we reload this page, we will see that topsoil is no longer there. Now if we end up starting to do topsoil again, what I can do is I can come up here and click show inactive items. Now topsoil will show back up down here at the bottom. I can go back in and make active. So we can do that really quick. Make active, save. I'm going to close that out, reload this page, and now we can see we have topsoil back. Now to add a category, we can say what that category is. We can input our default cost markup percent. We can add a default indirect cost percentage and overhead percentage. We can add cost block for units. So if this is a seal coat, an asphalt, concrete, normally a lot of people do asphalt in square feet. Some people do square yards. Concrete is mostly in square feet, so we can see select cost block to be able to calculate units and price per unit. Click save, and that category will now show up.